You just found the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 7,500 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the job done in sleek and sporty style in the versatile Colorado, the midsize pickup that has the amenities and technology to keep you safe, comfortable, and connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. You'll look good and feel comfortable in the Colorado. Come in for a test drive today.